Hello guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So today I'm just going to show you guys another way to strengthen your hands using the hammer-on and pull-off techniques. Hammer and pull-off technique is one of the most important technique as a guitarist or a bass player you can't actually do without. You must actually use it, or you must learn to use it. It's very, very important, right? So okay, we're using this key, so you can actually use any key to actually play. So what is hammer? Hammer is just like you hitting, right? You can actually use any finger, any one. Why the pull off is the opposite, any of the fingers also, right? Hammer on, pull off, right? So now just try an exercise and that will actually going to help us maintain more strength and help us develop more confidence in playing the hammer on, right? So we can start something like something like this, right? So you see, so now actually this technique, like I said, you can use any key to try it, right? What I'm doing, I use any key to just try it. You can also go, sorry, you can just keep going on, right? So right, you see. So actually what I'm actually striking once from here. You see, right? So you know, if you want to strike double, like, it still works, right? So or so try as much as possible to work with it with the metronome, right? You see it's sounding, right? So it's sounding interesting. You've actually work on it too. Right? You can just keep on going like that. So you can start anywhere. Sorry. So sorry. So you can pick anywhere, like I said. So it's going to help you develop more strength with your fingers, right? So just try it out.